Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the skin. Clean with alcohol and let it air dry so the sticker adheres evenly. Once done, pick the sticker that fits the design area and test the placement while the backing is still on. Make sure to trim any excess paper or sticker edges and remove stray hairs to prevent lifting. Press the sticker firmly from center outward for even contact. If you follow these first steps, you set the base for a crisp Mehndi transfer and avoid bubbling or you now apply the henna paste over the sticker design. Load a cone or syringe and hold it at about a 45-degree angle for controlled flow and fine lines. Once done, cover every printed line of the sticker with a thin, even layer of paste. This ensures consistent color and avoids smudges. Make sure you do not pile paste into clumps, and once applied, let it set undisturbed for 15 to 30 minutes so the dye can transfer through the sticker clearly. You finish by peeling the sticker carefully. Lift an edge and pull back slowly to avoid tearing the transfer. Once peeled, remove any residue with a wooden stick and then seal the design with a sugar lemon dab or cling wrap to deepen color. Make sure the skin stays warm and undisturbed. If something goes wrong, if lines smudge or patch off, dampen the area slightly, let it dry, and quickly reapply fine lines with a cone to repair. Practice fixes are often almost invisible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.